Welcome back to LOOS CO. Today you're going to learn how to use our M1 Locoloc swaging machine. This how-to video will demonstrate how to prepare and swage straight shank terminals. You should have already set up your Locoloc M1 swaging machine with the proper set of dies and the feed guide attached. For swaging straight shanks, you will need a high-quality cable cutter, a permanent marker, an attribute gauge, and your included instruction manual. Once your M1 is ready to swage, prepare the cable and fitting. Begin by cutting the cable cleanly and squarely to ensure that it will insert into the bore of the terminal. The fit will be snug, so it is essential that the cable wires don't spread or broom out. You will now need to identify the point on the fitting where you will begin the swage. Start by inserting the cable fully into the terminal and mark on the cable where it first appears at the end. This is referred to as point A in the manual. Place the cable beside the terminal, aligning point A with the tip. Now mark on the fitting where the cable ends. This is point B. Now, place the cable next to point B, perpendicular to the fitting, and make another mark that is equal to the diameter of the cable. This is point C. Point C is very important to find and remember because it is the point that you will align with the dies to begin your swage. Press the cable partly back into the bore and bend sharply. Then insert the remainder of the way. This will ensure that the fitting will remain in place on the cable while being inserted into the machine. Now, ensure that the upper and lower dies are centered. There should be a clear opening to lay your fitting and cable into. Insert the end of the fitting into the feed guide adapter and snap the cable into place. Be sure that you can see your point C marking from earlier. Also keep in mind that the length of cable needs to be supported. If there's too much slack in the cable, the resulting swage may not be straight. Now, grasp the pins on the lower die and turn counterclockwise, making sure to align the points of the dies on point C. If you begin the swage at any point above point C, you risk significant damage to your tool that may result in costly repairs. You can now begin the swage. Pump the handles until one full pass has been made. Now, rotate the terminal within the feed guide 90 degrees and snap back into place. As before, turn the dies counterclockwise until the points meet again at your C mark. Make a second pass. Rotate the terminal again, this time 45 degrees, and snap into place. Then turn the dies to meet at point C and make one final pass. Never use more than 4 passes, as it may cause work hardening. If more than 4 passes are required to meet the after swage diameter, your tool may need to be repaired. Your Locoloc terminal is now ready to use. Test the diameter of the shank to ensure a proper swage was achieved. If it passes through, your swaged fitting will maintain the break strength of the cable. Thank you for watching LOOS CO. Be sure to subscribe below for updated content, and with any questions, visit our website or contact our customer service department.